All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So today's video may sound or look a little different. I am using the new GoPro Hero 9 to see how I like it. And it's been a long time since, it's been a while since I've filmed a video with the Type R. So it's time we do that. And currently right now I'm updating my map on Hondata that Keithy has sent me a revision on. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. We're gonna do some pulls, get him some data so we can finally, and it's not been him, it's been me, I've been lazy about getting my, flex fuel and my 93 tune finished. With that being said, I want to thank each and every single one of you who entered my giveaway from my website. So at the end of this video, we will be picking the winner of the K-Tuner, and I'll send you a DM or try to contact you some way, and I would love to get that out in the mail for you tomorrow. So thanks once again to everybody who entered the giveaway. It did a lot better than I expected. Got some feedback, and I'm currently working with a screen printer. Hopefully I'll have some mock-up designs of some t-shirts that I had in the work with them. I'm waiting on their graphic designer to get back, because I would love to get some t-shirts on there, and fall is upon us, so I'd like to get some long sleeve shirts, a regular solid color shirt with my logo, maybe a pocket tee, and then maybe some other stuff that I currently have in the works. So everything's also going good with the Grom. We've got about 500-600 miles on it now. Let's see. We have 535 miles, so it is time to do the first oil change on that. But like I said, stick to the end of the video and we'll figure out who won the giveaway. I'm just as excited as you all are. So let's see. Oh, this thing is going so slow. We're not even half the way done. But anyways, we're gonna get the car flashed, and then we are going to get on the road, go do some pulls on a closed course, or on a closed road. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys back in just a second. Come on, we're almost there. Let's get it. So close. Okay, here we go. We're gonna switch the ignition off. All right, so let's go ahead and start this bad boy up. Gonna go ahead and let the car warm up. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and let the car warm up, and then we're gonna go do some pulls. I'm super excited. It's been a long time since I've done some pulls on this car. We're gonna get some data, and then we're gonna send it off to him, and yeah, let's go. All right, we just got to the spot. Make sure it's in R mode. Get the data log going. Cutting really bad. It is not liking that. It seems like it's fuel cutting an absolute bunch, and it's incredibly scary. I don't know if that's fuel cut, boost cut, something, but it just like boom, it like hits a wall at like 5K, maybe 6. Let's try that again. That was extremely scary. We'll go full throttle in a second, watch. Oh, traction control, that's why. Did a little better that time. It's not digging the traction control, so we'll have to talk to him about that. And that is scary. Let's try this again. All right, we got it completely turned off. We'll do another second gear, full throttle pull. Here we go. lot better with all that stuff turned off. That off of there. Okay, that felt a lot better. Let's go ahead and stop that log, and then we'll get another one. Hopefully this this new GoPro footage is great, or at least the the camera quality. I think I gotta go up here and bust a UE real quick. I think this is the spot right here. Okay. And then, like I mentioned, thank you all so much for the love and support on the on the launch of my website. We got a lot of big things coming. If you guys would like for me to do a another giveaway on the website, leave this video a like and comment down below, and we'll make it happen. There goes the second gear grind, unfortunately. It falls flat. Not liking that. Let's do one more pull and see what we can get. There's a lot of nasty there's a lot of nasty cracks and booms and bangs. It's not, I don't know what the rev limiter set at, but man, it is just not, it's not having it. All right, let's try this again. Do like 0 to maybe 80 to 100. I don't know. Don't know what's going on. Maybe that's all normal. Like I said, it's never shot. I don't know what's going on back there, but it's definitely banging and popping a lot more than it's ever done. Let's do one more pull for science. Oh, don't tell me I wasn't logging that. Okay, I was logging that. All right, let's do one more. Logging. All right, here we go. I think I know. I think maybe the rev limiter is set to maybe like 6,800, maybe, because it's definitely not. We're definitely not able to hit 7,000. She's banging. I don't know what's going on. Keithy will be able to tell me. But anyways, like I said, right around, like, there's a breakup at like 6,000, 6,500, maybe 6,800. I have no idea. Let's go ahead and let's turn traction control back on. Some driver assists are off. Let's try this. On. Wait a minute. I don't know. Okay. Let's just see how the car does. Just do some normal cruising and we'll see how she acts. It's definitely, I don't know. Me and Keithy will talk about that. Are you turning? All right. Log going full throttle. Maybe that was closer to 6,800 when it bangs off. I guess that must be what Keithy set off the limiter for 68. It's banging and it is popping super loud. I wonder if next time I need to put the camera behind the or on the bumper and see if I can throw a flame, but it's a little scary with it banging and popping like that. But the car pulls super hard. I'm more focused on, you know, keeping the steering wheel straight, etc. And I didn't even see how many pounds of boost we were hitting, so I'll definitely check that out in the whenever I'm editing. But like I said, the car felt great. It pulled great. It's just I don't know what the red line is set to, because like I said, it seems like it falls flat at right maybe 66, 6700, 6800 RPMs. Maybe that's exactly where he wants it at, and we were definitely banging off of it. And that's when, but on the very first pull I made with traction control on, it seems like the car was stalling and stopping, like with fuel and boost cut at maybe 56, 5700 RPMs. It was not happy at all. I mean, I was like jolting back and forth in the car. That's what was scaring me. So that's why I did a few pulls with actually having traction control off. So we definitely got some good data for Keffy to look at, the FK8 clinic. And I'm sure, like he always does, he's gonna explain to me what the car was doing, what he did to fix it. He always sends good notes, and you know, I message him back and forth, and he's very transparent and open with what's going on. So it's been a long time, man. So if you're watching this video, Keffy, I'm sorry for the delay on getting data logs, etc. You know, I got that new Honda Grom, and that thing has been an absolute blast to drive in. Ultimately I was wanting to, you know, draw some different subscribers and different viewers to the channel. So thank you all so much for being patient with me about that. So let's go ahead and let's take this party back to the house and see what we got. And I'm super excited. I'm just as excited as everybody that made a purchase on the website for the person that is going to win the K-Tuner V2. That is super cool. And plus, like I said, I sold my front pipe. I didn't tell you this, but I sold my front pipe to a subscriber, a fellow FK8 guy. The guy drove all the way down from Miami. Big shout out to you, man. I just wish it would have been a little bit earlier in the day, at night. You know, we met, it was like 30, I think it was like 11:30, 11:45. I really wish we could have spent more time together, man. Chilled, hung out, grab a bite to eat, etc. But dude, my man drove all the way from Miami. Big shout out to you, man. And I hope you enjoy that front pipe. And it was really great talking to you, man. And if you're watching this video, yeah, I appreciate you coming up here to my part of Florida. And yeah, like I said, it was really great talking and having a conversation with you. If you guys are interested in having more POV driving style videos like I'm doing now, I feel confident with the GoPro 9 shooting content like that. I had a GoPro Hero 4 Black Edition, and it was just lacking all kind of stuff, the quality, the mic and stuff. So hopefully this is my first video shooting with the new Hero 9. Watch, I just got this, and they're gonna come out with the Hero 10. But yeah, let's get back to the house and figure out who won the giveaway. All right, big congrats to everybody who entered. Let's see, go ahead and pick the name. We shuffled already. Cameron Price, congratulations, man. I will be sending you an email, or if I have you on Instagram, I'll send you a DM. Congratulations, and thanks again. Let's get this K-Tuner out to you. All right, once again, I do want to congratulate the winner. I will be, like I mentioned, I will be reaching out to you and getting this K-Tuner to you. Once again, thank you all. Thank you all to everyone who entered the giveaway. If you guys would like some more giveaways, leave this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. We want more giveaways, and I promise I'll make it happen. All right, if you're subbed to the channel for the first time, leave this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.